The global ambassadors of Passport USA received an email to attend a company-wide event, which will be held on June 24, 2022, which was held at the main office of Passport USA in Cincinnati, Ohio. Airfare was provided by the company and a free rental car which you can pick up at CVG International Airport. The distance from Covington Airport to the hotel is 8 miles and 18 minutes drive. Shine Castle attended this event, together with other Passports USA global ambassadors. They all stayed in Embassy Suites by Hilton in Covington, Kentucky. The meeting was scheduled for June 23, 2022, at 10:30 a.m. They were greeted by the International Deployment Manager Aaron Kallman and introduced to the friendly staff of Passport USA. A quick tour was conducted and a meeting was held after. Lunch together with the staff was served and pictorial followed after. Picnic with Healthcarousel employees was at 4 p.m. and after the picnic and the fun, they all attended the football club, Cincinnati versus Orlando at 7:30 p.m. which will be shown in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. If you have questions you can comment in this video and I will try to respond the best that I can. Thank you.